Hi everyone. Am I audible? All right. As you know, today is your Viva, correct, of circles and parabola. Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes to revise if you want. After that, we'll start the Viva. All right, Mazia, we can take the Viva after 15 to 20 minutes. And Peer, please check your mic. You should be able to answer, right? Otherwise, you will be getting 0 marks. Please change the earphones or try to make it work. Okay, Rahman, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's start your Viva. All right. So Rahman, what is a circle? What is a circle?
Sir, circle is a figure which is drawn with a fixed radius.
Can you repeat?
Sir, it is a geometric figure which is drawn with a fixed radius.
Okay. And tell me the center and the radius in this circle. Rahman, this question is for you. Alvia, are you here? Alvia, am I audible? Rahman, do you have the answers?
Phi is the center and 27 is the radius.
Can you repeat?
Sir, phi is the center and 27 is the radius.
5 is the center and 27 is the radius. All right, second question. Find the center and the radius of the circle. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y plus 12 equals to 0. This is your viva to every student. All right, you all should be able to respond within this class, otherwise you will be getting 0 marks in the viva. All right, Alvia, Peer and Mazia. Rahman, you have your answer? Rahman, do you have your answer?
Sir, center is 4 comma minus pi.
All right.
Radius is root of 53.
Root of 58.
53, sir.
53. All right, next question. Find the center of the circle. You can write the question. Find the center of the circle which passes through the points 1, 1, 2, 2, and the radius is 1. I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes for this question. Peer, is your mic working now? No, I guess. Rahman, you have your answers? Rahman, you have the answer or still solving?
Yes, sir. Done.
All right, solve. I'll give you 2 more minutes.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Okay, tell me the answer.
3 by 2 and 4 plus root 3 by 2.
And 3 by 2 and
4 plus root 3 by 2.
all right. X square equals to 4y. You have to find center, length of lattice rectum, vertex. All right. Send this answer in the chat box. All right, Rahman.
Okay, sir.
Rahman, is this a parabola or ellipse? Rahman?
Sir, it's parabola.
Parabola. And what is the latest rectum of parabola? Shaifullah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Today is your Viva, remember?
Oh, yes, okay.
Yeah. So do you know what is the latest rectum of a parabola?
Sir, it's 4A, sir.
4a, right?
Yes.
All right. Mazia, are you home now? Any students who doesn't respond will be getting 0 marks. Okay. Shaifullah, please try to solve these questions. Find center here and radius.
Yes, sir.
All right. Rest of the question is written clearly. All right, Mazia. Then we'll start with your Viva. No, Mazia, only parabola and circle is the topic of your today Viva. All right. First, please try to solve these questions 2, 3, 4 that is written in the whiteboard and send me the answers in the chat.
Sir, is 3 by 2 comma 4 plus root 3 by 2 part of third question?
No, 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 no. That's only the answer that is given by Rahman. All right.
Okay.
This is not part of the question. This is not part of the question. All right. Please send your answers in the chat.
Yes.
solved all the questions? Mazia, Shafullah?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute. Right. Mazia, you need to answer all the questions. Second, third, fourth. All right.
So the first one also?
Yeah, you can answer the first one also.
Okay.
Shaifullah, you have your answers?
Can you show the third one?
But you don't see the questions?
Uh,
Find the center of the circle which passes through the points
yes.
A 1, 1 and B 2, 2 and radius is 1. You have to find the center of the circle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And this is last 5 minutes. All right. Mazia, you also. Last 5 minutes. After that, we'll start the class. All right. Viva is over. Speed, am I audible now?
Sir, can you show the fourth one? Fourth question, please.
Shaifullah, I have not received any answers from you yet.
I have done it. I'm thinking just like if I do everything, I will send you at once. I'm
All
at
right,
the
all
fourth
right.
one right now.
Okay. Okay. And Mazia, what about you?
So I sent.
All of them? I don't think so.
So one is remaining. I'm just doing it.
All right. All right. Shafullah, done?
Almost done, sir.
Sorry.
Almost done.
Almost done. All right. One last minute then. After that, we are starting the class. All right. Please send your answers, Saifullah, whatever you have done. All right. We are starting ellipse. Peer, what is an ellipse? Atisha is here. Atisha, you are 1 hour late.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. I was outside, sir. That's why.
Outside. All right. What is an ellipse, Peer? Peer isn't answering. Atisha, what is an ellipse? I don't know, sir. Forgot, sir. It's been a week. Mazia, what is an ellipse?
Sorry, sir.
What is ellipse? Did we study this in the last class about ellipse?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please tell me what you know about this.
It is the set of all points.
And what is the condition set of all points which
When the sum of the distance from two fixed point is always constant.
absolutely right. Yep. Atisha, now you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So ellipse was the collection of all the points which are, or the sum of distance from 2 points is always equal, right? This was ellipse. So we studied about type 1 ellipse, right? Which is x square plus a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Right? Please check your notes of the last class. Do you have the notes of the last class, Atisha?
Sir, actually, half class I did not attend, so half class.
You did not attend. All right. Shafullah, you have the notes?
Yes, I have.
Yes. Then please say what is focus here, foci, and the type 1 ellipse.
Type 1 ellipse.
Okay, Rahman, do you know what is foci in type 1 ellipse? Mazia, what is the answer here? Foci, if you have this kind of ellipse. No answer. Do you guys revise after the class or any day you want? Do you ever feel like studying? Peer, am I audible? No, no response. Let me here. This in this type of ellipse, the foci is c comma 0 and minus c comma 0. Center is 0 comma 0. Vertex is a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. Length of major axis 2a. Length of minor axis 2b. Length of lattice rectum 2b squared by a. Eccentricity is c by a. Remember this, everyone? No, I guess not. Shafullah, do you have the answers now?
Yes.
Yes. Mazia, Alvia, Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's try to solve the question first. Let's finish the topic first, then we'll try questions. All right. In type 2, write down type 2. All right. You know about type 1. And which is type 2? When foci lies on y-axis. All right. All right. When foci lies on y-axis, that means what will be the figure here? Something like this, right? This will be the major axis. This will be the minor axis. Do you guys remember ellipse or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. So here two foci will be on y-axis. So this kind of ellipse will be there. And the equation will be x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1. Remember this. If the quantity below a is more, or the denominator of y is more, then this is the ellipse. If the denominator of x is more, then this is the ellipse. All right. So whichever denominator is more, take the a as that number. All right. Suppose we have x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equals to 1, and another we have y square upon 25 plus x square upon 16 is equals to 1. Here the value of a is 5. Here the value of a is 5. But the diagram is different. One is like this, one is like this. Because in here the denominator is of x. Here is of y. Is this step clear?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
All right. So second step is where the denominator of y is more than x. All right. And the figure is like this. The standard equation we know will be looking like this. Write it down clearly. Standard equation x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equals to 1. All right. Foci will be 0 comma plus minus c. All right. In that we had plus minus c comma 0. Here 0 comma plus minus c. Center is 0 comma 0. Center will not change. Vertex 0 comma plus minus a. In that case, we had plus minus a comma 0. Length of major axis, to a. Length of minor axis, to b. Length of lattice rectum, 2b square by a. Eccentricity is c upon a. See, all these quantities are not changed in both the cases because we changed the a, right? A and b, so that we don't have to change the formula. All right, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Don't think that in the first type we had 2a here, so here we should be writing 2b. No, we change the denominator, right? So the formula will be remaining same. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see how much clarity you have. Let's did you write it down? Atisha,
Yes,
done
sir. Done.
writing?
Yes, yes.
All right, Shaifullah, Rahman,
1 minute, sir.
1 minute. All right.
Done.
All right.
Done, sir.
Find the coordinates of the foci, the vertices, the length of major axis, the minor axis, the eccentricity, and lattice rectum of the ellipse. Okay, this is the question. See if this is the type 1 or type 2 and try to find the answers. All right. I'll give you 2-3 minutes for this.
Sir, how will we get to know it's type 1 or type 2?
I told you if the denominator of x is bigger than y, then it is type 1. All right.
Okay.
See, in here, x square upon 5 square, y square upon 3 square. So this is the bigger quantity, right?
Yes, sir.
So this will be a, right?
Ah.
A square.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will be
Okay.
5, this will be 3. Yeah. So it will
Yeah.
be type 1.
Okay.
So we can take C as 0.
No, you cannot take C as 0. How do you find C? Remember the formula. A square equals to B square plus C square,
Yes, yes.
right?
Done, sir.
All right, Atisha, tell me the answers.
So foci is plus minus 5 comma 0.
Wait.
Center 0 comma
Foci is
plus minus 5 comma 0.
plus minus 5 comma 0. Is this correct, everyone? Mazia, is this correct?
Sir, it must be 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0.
Right. Why? Rahman, why is it so?
Sir, because we found out C by root of a square minus b square.
Right. Atisha, foci is plus minus C comma 0, right? And how to find C? You can find C here using this formula. So A square is 25, B square is 9 plus C square. That means C will be 4.
Plus minus C comma 0, right? I thought I read that as A comma 0.
Yeah, you need to know the formula, right? So
Yes.
plus minus 4 comma 0.
The C I read as A, sir. So by mistake.
Yeah. And what is the vertex?
Vertex is 5 against 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0.
Right. So plus minus 5 comma 0 I can write.
Major axis 10.
Major axis, length of major axis
10.
is 10.
Then minor
And
is 6.
minor axis is 6. Absolutely right.
LR is 18 by 5.
18 by 5. Eccentricity
4 by 5.
4 by 5. What is left? Done. Everything, right?
What is 0 comma 0? Center 0 comma 0 center.
Yeah, center is 0 comma 0. All right, everyone. Is this clear? Rahman, Mazia?
Yes, sir.
All right. Shafullah, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
All right. Let's try another question.
Sir, what is the center, sir?
Center is 0 comma 0. All right. Center is 0. This will be the ellipse. And this will be the center. Okay, another question. Find the coordinates of the foci, the vertices, length of major and minor axis, and the eccentricity of the ellipse. All right. Ellipse is 9x square plus 4y square equals to 36. All right. I'll give you 2-3 minutes for this. Try to solve. You have to find all the quantities, all the properties. 9x square plus 4y square equals to 36. This is the ellipse.
Done, sir.
Everyone done? Shaifullah, Rahman, Peer, Mazia. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So how to solve this, Atisha?
So we have to divide the whole equation by 36, right? 9
Right.
factorial by 36.
So first step will be dividing by 36. So here we have x square upon 4 plus y square upon 9
So
equals
this
to
will
1.
be type 2.
Type 2, absolutely right.
So the
So
foci
focus will be
0 plus or 0 plus or minus root 5. Under root
root
5.
5.
Under root 5.
Right. So foci is 0 comma plus minus under root 5. Vertices
0 comma plus minus 3.
0 comma plus minus 3. All right. Length of major axis
6.
6. Minor axis
4.
eccentricity
8 by 8 by 3. No. For root 5 under root 5 by 3.
root 5 by 3.
LR is 8 by 3.
All right. LR is 8. 2b square by a. B square is 9 to 18 by 3. All right. How are you getting 3?
So 2 into 4 by 3, right? Sorry, 2 into 2 by 3. Actually 4 by 3.
So,
Yeah, 4 by 3. Right?
sorry. Please tell me how to solve this.
So it's 2b square by 2b square by a, right? So it will be 2 into 4 by 3. Correct. 8 by 3.
Yeah, 2b square by
Yeah, it will be 8 by 3.
a. That means 2 into 4 upon a is 3.
Yeah,
So
8 by
8
3.
by 3. All right.
Yes.
Everyone clear? I think everyone is sleeping. Nobody is answering.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's try another question. Find the equation of the ellipse whose vertices are plus minus root 3 comma 0 and foci are plus minus 5 comma 0. All right.
Yes.
Few minutes for this question also.
So done.
Everyone done? Done?
It's under root 3, right? Or 13?
It's plus minus root plus minus 13 only,
13.
not under root.
Okay, I wrote under
Yeah.
root 3. 1 second.
Yeah, okay.
Done.
All right, how to solve, Atisha?
Sir, as it's given plus minus a comma 0 and plus minus c comma 0 in the foci and vertices, so it will be type 1.
Okay.
So if it's type 1, then it will be as vertices are given plus minus 13 comma 0, it will be a comma 0. So we got a. Then a square will be 169. It will be x square by 169.
All right.
Then for finding b square, you have to do the formula. A square equals b square plus c square.
And how to find C?
C, it will be c square equals a square minus b square.
No, how to find C? How do you know the value of C here?
So c square is given, so it's given in the foci, plus minus 5.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
B square, yeah. B square. Okay. B square equals 169 minus 25. It will be 144. So Py
All
square
right.
will be 144, yes.
So easy.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next question. Find the equation of the ellipse whose length of the major axis is 20 and foci are 0, plus minus 5. All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Is there any other formula to find that c square b square in the type 2, or this we have to use the same thing?
No, you have to find this, use the same formula.
Okay. So done. Sir.
All right, let's give other people 2-3 minutes, all right, to solve. After that, we'll discuss.
Yes.
All right, Rahman, done. Shafullah,
Done, sir.
done. Atisha, how to solve this?
So this is type 2, sir.
Type 2. How do you know this is type 2?
Because c is in the second in y-axis, right?
Right. So the value of C is 5.
Yes, yes. And it's as major axis is given 20, so it will be 2a. So 2 into 10 will be 20. A will be 10.
A will be 10.
Yes.
So we can find B as under root A square minus C square. So 100 minus 25, that is under root 75, right? So the equation will be x square upon B square plus y square upon A square equals to 1.
Yes.
So x
X
square
square will-
upon, yeah, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, how did we get C as 5?
See, the foci are given as 0 comma plus minus 5, and we know that foci is 0 comma plus minus C, right? In type 2, foci is 0 comma plus minus C, so the value of C is 5. All right.
Yes.
Okay, next question. Find the equation of the ellipse with major axis along the x-axis and passing through the points 4,3 and -1,4. Try to solve this one.
Sir, will this be type 1 or type 2?
Look at the question closely. They have written major axis along the x-axis.
So these 2 points are foci, right? Or the point A and point B?
No, this is just 2 points. The ellipse is passing through.
Okay,
If you look at this statement, major axis along the x-axis, that means this kind of ellipse is there because this is the major axis and this is the x-axis. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir, can you do this?
Okay, everyone, should I solve this? Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Let me give you a hint, then you try. All right. See, assume the equation of the ellipse as x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Right? Because the major axis is along the x-axis. That means type 1 ellipse. Now 2 points are given through which the ellipse is passing through. That means you can satisfy these points here and you can find the value of a and b. Is this step clear?
Sir, how?
You can put these values here, right, in the place of x and y,
Yes, sir.
because if any equation is passing through any point, that means that point will satisfy that equation.
Yes.
All right, so try to solve this now. Put this here, then this point here. You have two equations, two variables. Try to solve.
Sir, so this will be equal to this, right? We can write like that.
Yeah, you can put the value of x and y as 4, 3, and in another equation you can put the value of -1 and 4.
And
You
then we
will
can
have two equations.
both are equal.
Yeah.
Both are equal.
Yeah.
So I'm getting 15 by a square equals 7 by b square.
You have to solve two equations, right? See, if this is the ellipse and this is the point it is passing through, that means 16 upon a square plus 9 upon b square should be equals to 1, and again 1 upon a square plus 16 upon b square should be equals to 1. Putting these values here.
Yes, sir.
Now can you solve these two equations? This is one,
Okay, okay, so like that.
right? You have, yeah, two equations, two variables. Try to solve. solve this? Atisha, Rahman,
Doing
doing. All right.
I'm not able to solve.
Not able to solve. Multiply 16 in this equation, then try to subtract. All right, Atisha.
Yes, I do.
All right, done. Atisha,
But b square as root of 247. B as root of 247.
all right, let's see. I can multiply 16 here. So I'll have 16 upon a square plus
256.
256 upon b square equals to 16. Let's
16.
subtract, right? Subtract from that. We'll have 256 upon b square minus 9 upon b square equals to 15. So this is 247 upon b square equals to 15. That means b square equals to 247 upon 15. All right, you have b square, you can get a square very easily. All right.
Yes.
Everyone clear? Rahman? Shaifullah, Rahman?
Sir, how did we equate after the
Yes,
two
sir.
equations?
Sorry, Rahman, can you repeat?
Sir, how did you equate after getting the two equations?
Yeah, see, this is one equation, and I multiplied 16 into another equation, the second equation, right? So I get this equation. If this is equation 1, this is equation 2, I did 1 minus 2. So this minus this, so 16 upon a square will be cancelled. All right. And 256 upon b square minus 9 upon b square, 16 minus 1, 50. All right, Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please write down. Try to solve further. Mazia, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
All right. Okay. So any doubts in the ellipse?
No, sir. Clear.
No, clear. All right. So next topic is hyperbola.
Sir, how do we find a, sir? Yes.
All right. See, you have b square as 247 upon 15. Put it in any of this equation. All right. Let's put the value here. So 1 upon a square plus 16 upon b square equals to 1. That means I can put the value of b square as 247 upon 15. So 1 upon a square plus 16 upon 247 upon 15 equals to 1. So 1 upon a square plus this is 16 upon 15, 247 equals to 1. All right. So 1 upon a square, 1 minus this is 16,
240.
240 upon 247. That means 1 upon a square equals to 247 minus 240 upon 247. That means 7 upon 247 equals to 1 upon a square, right? So you can put the values here. Equation was x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. We have b square as 247 upon 15. That means, or you can write it x square into 1 upon a square plus y square into 1 upon b square equals to 1. So 1 upon a square is 7 upon 247. So x square, 7x square upon 247 plus y square into 15. So 15y square upon 247 equals to 1. Is it clear, Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Please write it down. So this is one of the lengthy questions. All right. This is easy, not difficult, but lengthy.
Done.
Okay. So any doubts from ellipse? Rahman, Shaifullah? Okay. Mazia? Okay. All right, then next topic is hyperbola. All right, we'll finish this in the next class, but before that you have to complete all the exercises till ellipse. All right,
Yes.
have you finished parabola, Atisha?
Yes, sir.
All right, and Mazia, Rahman, Atisha, Shafullah, everyone, Alvia, you are not speaking in the classes since at least 5 classes. All right, so please respond in the class and complete the homework. Yes, Shafullah, anything?
What is the homework?
Yeah, you have to complete all the exercises of conic sections till ellipse of NCERT.